Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out top 5 best biometric door lock you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research, and I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best biometric door lock, have the products for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Raykube Wi-Fi electronic door lock. Brand name, Raykube. Model, RFG 5+. Sport Wi-Fi connecting, tuya version. Material, aluminum alloy. Unlock mode, app, fingerprint, password, smart card, key. Fingerprint read, FPC sensor, semiconductor sensor. Color, gold black. Card user, 100. Fingerprint user 100. Chip type, dual core driver. Read time, 0.3 seconds. Touch screen, enamel material. Operating temperature, -25 to 55 centigrade. Password function, support virtual password. Suit for the door thickness about 35-100 mm. Inside lock switch, if turned on the switch, command user cannot open lock by fingerprint password card from outside, unless the admin user can open lock from outside. Yoheen Wi-Fi smart door lock. Brand name, Yoheen. Security biometric fingerprint intelligent lock with password RFID card. Remote unlock via Wi-Fi app, convenient and safe. Wi-Fi tuya app smart lock, app remote management, door open and close, family member management. Yoheen Wi-Fi smart door lock. Handle size, 240 x 60 mm. Material, aluminum alloy. Unlock method, app password, fingerprint, password, card, key. N1 smart card unlock, support card unlocked, gently brush to unlock, easy to carry. Cylinder grade, C grade blade cylinder. Applications, hotel, apartment, Airbnb, school, office. Functional wooden door. Lock body, single latch, double latch 50/50 optional. Power supply, 4 AA batteries, excluded. Suitable for door thickness, 35 to 90 mm. Yrhand fingerprint door lock. Brand name, Yrhand. Waterproof fingerprint smart door lock. Works with clock app fingerprint, 150 PCS. Password, no limit. Smart card, 150 PCS. Bluetooth, unlock by app battery size, 4 PCS AAA 1.5V. Support DC 12V input. Supports scramble code. Work temperature, -20 to 55 centigrade. Fingerprint type, semiconductor embedded fingerprint. Button type, capacitive touch button. Bluetooth 4.1 BLE, Android 4.3 iOS 7 above. 2 ways of power supply. Our lock can be charged by 4 PCS AA 1.5V batteries. ASLO can connect a cable with 12V DC power supply and support wiring extra exit button. Ospon smart electric door lock. Brand name, Ospon. Product material, zinc alloy. Unlock mode, app, Bluetooth, password, card, key, unlock. Security function, anti-theft alarm prompt function, low battery warning function. Installation requirements, door thickness, 38 to 120 mm. Door type, wooden door, security door. 5A diamond screen, durable, wearable, comfortable. Biometric fingerprint head, high precision, fast recognition 0.3 seconds. Anti-theft design, automatic alarm sound. 365 days battery life. Aqara Smart Door Lock. Brand name, Aqara. Model number, N200. Smart Door Lock Fingerprint Bluetooth Password NFC Unlock work with mijia Apple HomeKit Smart Linkage with Doorbell. Material, zinc alloy aluminum alloy. Encryption chip, MJSC Apple Wi-Fi. Doorbell function, support. Support app, Mi Hope Apple Home. Anti-cat eye unlock, support. Power supply, 8AA batteries. Battery is not attached to the product, customer self-preparation. Door type, wooden door, security door, copper door. User capacity, 50 fingerprints, 50 permanent passwords, 25 NFC devices, 25 periodic temporary passwords, 8x one-time temporary passwords. Wireless connection, Bluetooth 5.0. Mijia Apple security chip. Integrated panel, handle design. Frosted textured door lock frame and handle. Anti-fingerprint residue handle. 100,000 hand press tests. Aluminum alloy one-piece structure. Inlay scratch resistant panel. Reliable Japan-made Mabuchi clutch motor.